Welcome to Teacher Black Adam. We're doing question 3 of paper 2, and those are the positions, parts given, point A, and then we're required to find that if k is 1 over 3. So that means we write the equation there. The equation is kx plus 3, and then we need to find the value of k. So that means that we replace y with 4 from the coordinate, and then 4 is equals to bracket x is 3, so that's going to be 3 and then plus 3. Now solving for k, that will mean we have 4 is equals to 4 minus 3 is equals to 3k. So dividing both sides by 3 gives us that k is 1 over 3. So that's our value for k. And then next we have to find the coordinate of b. So we can see that y is 0 there for b position, and what we need to do, we need to find y. Okay, so we know that y is equals to 1 over 3x plus 3. So substituting y with 0, finding x. So that means that we have 1 over 3x is equals to negative 3. So multiply by 3 over 1 and multiply by 3 over 1 gives us x is equals to negative 9. So we have x is negative 9, so b, where x is negative 9, y is 0. That's coordinate for b, negative 9 and 0. And then we move on to find the coordinate of c. C, there we have 1 is part of the equation and the position, and then the equation of that line, we know that f is midpoint. Then y is going to be, the equation is y is equals to x minus 2, and f is midpoint. From that equation, when x is 0, what is our y? So that means that we have a point where x is 0 at f, and then you put 0 there, so that's be negative 2. So f has negative 2, so 0 to negative 2, midpoint point for f. Okay, so f coordinate is 0 and negative 2. Now to find the coordinates of c, we need to know that a has, since it's the same line, 3 to 4, and then we have c there, which is x and y that we need to determine. And then we know from our information above that x there plus 3, alright, divide by 2 for the midpoint will give us 0. So we write 0 there. And we also know that so x plus 3 is equals to 0 times 2, so x is negative 3. So we have negative 3 there, part of c. And then we also know that y, that is y plus 4, will give us negative 2 as midpoint. So it's y plus 4 divided by 2 for midpoint is going to be negative 2. So solving for y there, y plus 4 is going to be negative 2 multiplied by 2. So that means that y is going to be negative 4, and then take 4 to the other side, that's negative 4. Now y is going to be negative 8. So that's our negative 8 there. So c has a coordinate of negative 3 to negative 8. So those are coordinates. So we move on to the next question, where it says that we need to find the equation of the straight line. So we know that b, we have negative 15, negative 2. Let's see, is it b? Yeah, gradient bc. So which means we need bc. So b is not b is not negative 15. We have s, b as negative 9 and 0. Okay, and we also have c there as negative 3 to negative 8. Yeah, so bc, gradient bc is going to be changing y by changing x, so it's negative 8, negative 0, that over negative 3, negative 9, that other part. So that will mean that we have negative 8 over negative 3 plus 9, that would be negative 8 over 6. So 2 into 3, 6 is 3, 2 into 8 is 4, so that's going to be negative 4 over 3. That's our gradient. And then y there we have gradient x plus 3, not 3 per se. We need to find, I think we need to find c. Yeah, we need to find c. So that's negative 2 4 over 3 bracket x is negative 15. Yeah, so we need to, we need to find c. So y is equals to mx plus c. So we're solving for c plus c, and that means we have we have negative 2 is equals to, that will be positive 60. 4 times 15 is 60, so it's negative 60, positive 60 over 3. So c is going to be negative 2, negative 22, and negative 20. So c is going to be negative 22. And then now we can write the equation y is equals to negative 4 over 3x minus 22. So that's our equation. Then we move on to the next question. We're required to find the angle. So there are 3 angles there. So we know that alpha, that is angle A. So alpha minus beta, that is going to be our angle A. So what we need to do is gradient AB, because remember that from our equation our gradient is 1 over 3, because given that we need from the equation 1 over 3x plus 3, so which means that our gradient is 1 over 3. So 10 1/3, solving for 10 1/3 there. So theta is going to be 10 inverse of 10 bracket 1 over 3. To solve for the angle there, so our theta is going to be 18.43 degrees. Alright, then we also need to know alpha there is given 10, because we know that the equation that our gradient there is 2 from our equation. So that's 10 second inverse 10 2 to give us 63.43 degrees. Now finding the angle BAC is going to be alpha minus theta, so that is going to be 63.43 degrees minus 18.43 degrees, and using a calculator there, or simple calculation, gives us 45 degrees. So BAC is 45 degrees, because remember from the sketch we can't really know whether it's rectangle or not, it's a vertical or not, so we have to use calculations. And so we have that part and that part there. We're going to see if it's a right angle to each other, the sides. So we need just to confirm that. So given the gradients that we have, let's check it from the gradients. We find that in triangle in triangle ASC, it's ABD. Supposed to be ABD. ABD over triangle AB. That's gonna be triangle area of a triangle ABD. So it's area of triangle ABD all over area of a triangle ASC. So ASC, so in triangle ABD. Okay, so what do we have? We have the height perpendicular. Is it perpendicular? Let's say in the at ABD. So we know that we have a perpendicular side. They're giving the coordinates A. That part there, our height there is 4. So that's our y. So now there will be 4. So perpendicular height is 4 units. So coming to the equation there, so B, we have negative 9 to 0, D as 1 to 0, because it's 1 there, remember. So D is 1, like y is 2x minus 2. So when y is 0, solving for x there, x is going to be 2 over 2. So that is going to be 1. Now coming there, BD. So BD is going to be negative 9 negative 1 squared plus 0 minus 0 squared. So that means that we have a root of 100. Okay, 10 squared, that's negative 10 squared to give us 100. So that's going to be root 100. So root of 100 is 10. Now area of triangle ABD, that is going to be half our base there. Remember our base is our base is 10, so that's 10, that is our base. And then area of triangle ABD is going to be half our base is 10 and our height is 4. So that will mean that half base, so that's our base is 10 and our height is 4, perpendicular height which is 4. So that means we now have 20 units. Okay, so that's our area. It's actually 20 units squared. Alright, then from there in triangle ASC, let's see what we have. We have S as negative 15, negative 2, and then we also have C as negative 3, negative 8, and then we need to find the gradient SC. So gradient SC is going to be negative 8, negative 2, bracket all over negative 3, and negative bracket negative 15. So that means that we have negative 6 over positive 12. So that will give us negative 1 over 2. And then gradient AS, okay, gradient AS, that is going to be let's multiply the gradient is 2. So the two gradients, when you multiply them together, is 2 minus 1 over 2. That gives us a negative 1. So AC is perpendicular to SC. So now if we need to find the distance SC, so the distance AC is going to be negative 15, negative 3, all of that bracket squared, plus that's negative 2, negative bracket negative 8, and all that squared. So simplifying that further will give us 10 root 2. Alright, so 10 root 2, that's our distance AC. Okay, so area of triangle ASC is going to be half our base there. Our base is 6 root 5, we're given that one there was given, and then SC there is going to be 10 root 2. So multiplying that gives us 30. It's going to be 30 root 2. Okay, so 30 root 2 means that we have area of triangle ABD over area of over triangle over triangle ASC. That's going to be 20 over 30 root 10. Okay, so root 10, that means that is 2 over 3 root 10. So multiplying by root 10, so just to remove the root on the bottom, that will give us 2 root 10 all over 3. So root 10 and root 10 is 10, so it's 10 times 3 will give us 30. So that's 2 root 10 over 30, and that's our final answer. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe. Thank you.